Hey guys, so this idea came to me from one of my followers on here, one of our subscribers. Anyway, we got some washers here. You can see, we put water down, it goes directly to the back and left. So what we want to do is try to raise up this left corner. I'm going to take one of these washers, put it underneath here. And that didn't seem like it was enough. I'm going to try it again. Put it in there. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's still going. We're going this direction. So we're going to put one more in. As you get more in there, it seems to be a little funny lining them all up. But once we get it in there, 1, 2, 3. Try it now. Still going that direction, not as fast. Do we want to go for a fourth washer in there? Let's just try some other areas here. It's good there. I don't know, I'm almost happy with how it's going now. We could try one more. We've already got 3 washers in there. You can see the pooling going up around this corner here. So we'll try one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of get them lined up. Try again. It's still going that direction. I don't want to put 5 under there. As you can see, we're pretty high up now over here. And what it's going to do, probably going to start seeing things like that. So I'm going to have to get some more washers to put under this side to keep it from going. But anyway, we're just trying to level it out. Let me put one more in here. Let me dry up what we have going so far. So we do want a gentle drift to the back here. Just not what we're seeing currently. And you can see most of this water is sitting still. So let's try this one more time. What I'm going to do is, after the video, I'll grab some more and put them under this side here. Let's try it now. Perfect. So that took 5 washers on that side. But that's a way you can level your blackstone if you're not working with a level environment, which I'm on a deck, so you would think it was level, but it's not. So here we go, to the next cook.